Alright, so today we are going to be pulling the honey from our secondary yard. We caught a swarm the other day, about a week ago now, so we're just going to check in on her quickly, make sure she's got enough room to lay. We're going to start with that. We're going to check this new swarm, and then we're going to collect the honey and give them some fresh boxes. Let's get right into that swarm. Gotta find the queen. They're putting honey in here. I'll just wipe. Oh man, no, can't do that. There's too many bees on it.
You want me to wipe that other edge down with the glove?
Well, it's just like all the debris. Perfect. They sound kind of queenless. They're building. Just need to find one egg.
Yeah, they're moving quite hysterically here.
Yeah. They want a queen. I don't think there's a queen in here. I think we'll have to find
Some brood frame.
a frame.
That's this one.
This guy? Okay, we'll get in there quickly then.
Look at how well this box took, eh?
Yeah, not a ton of honey up there, but again, their frames are shit. No brood yet. Please be brood. That is brood. That's good.
Oh,
there she is.
Big girl. Nice looking queen.
Beautiful looking queen. Yeah, day olds. Okay, good. It's nasty, but it's probably the best looking one. Those guys are gonna chill like that. We can exclude this again. There's honey in here. We're gonna blow both of these out. So blow both of these boxes out right here. Now that we've got the swarm situated, we're gonna start blowing out these boxes and harvesting our honey.
I'm just putting the rocks on the side here.
Although we just blasted the bees onto the ground, they know exactly where they have to go. You can see them sorting themselves out, going to the right hive. And they may be slightly shooken up, but they're essentially undamaged. So now the next step is to go bring this to the shop and start processing it. Alright, so now we're in the shop and we're going to start extracting our frames. We've got our big 50 frame spinner here, and then we have all our boxes here, and we're going to cut off the wax on the top, so we'll get them decapped. We'll pop them in the extractor and we will spin them for 10 to 15 minutes to get all that honey out. Yep.
I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then middle.
And then middles, yeah, you got it. Yeah, like it has a solid piece of middle.
I guess there's two middles. Like
Yeah, two middle.
The middle is that solid spot.
Yeah, 5 on each side, 5, 5, and then there's that solid piece. It's like, yeah. I'm just not cured. Frames in there now.
Yeah, they'll be fine now.
That was the main concern, was just getting good frames.
And like all these ones, now are we gonna go to the store and have them gonna work?
Yeah.
So now I guess we won't pull till like September.
Yeah, we'll see. If they're filling it up too fast, we'll have to pull. Like, we can't leave them, because then they'll just swarm.
I mean, we just keep it.
A little bit more. 18 is perfect. 18 to 16 is perfect.
Like, what is it measured by? Like,
Moisture percentage, yeah.
Yeah.
You're good. You could check it. Guy. The better way of doing it is not, you're actually pulling the cap off instead of pushing it down. I think that's why we're extracting on the frames. So we're bending the cap instead of pulling it off. You see the stuff in? Oh, fuck, yeah. This is what we were uncapping last time. The whole time.
From here.
Put this one at 3.
Tons is different. Yeah, that's been fun.
It's gonna fill up quick. Like, we might have to pull. Jesus Christ. Do you want to try and hold it quickly?
That's a frame.
Oh, yeah. I could say frame. That frame is more than 10.
Oh, yeah.
I'd say. Last frame.
last frame.
You got her?
Yeah.
Smoke, man. That is a full extractor.
So we've filled the extractor. This is our first time filling it up with 50 frames. Well, there's 49. I guess we're missing one frame. But this is our first time doing it full. Normally we have it a little less full. But yeah, Pascal's gonna start the power. And it's an old machine, you know? So it's got these pulleys for this motor with another, got pulleys. And you got
Pulley and a friction drive.
friction drive. You got to tighten this bad boy down to get the proper friction, which will spin this wheel. Spin this smooth. And you pull it for your speed. The further back you go, the faster it'll spin. This is our lever to select our speed. And there's also this, which is our lock and our safety. So already, it's been spinning a few seconds. You can see the frames going. You can see the amount of honey that's in there already is ridiculous. So we're gonna let this spin for 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
Pull that up. Now it's unlocked. See, it's gaining speed. Look on the sides here, you might be able to see some honey spitting out of the frames, or some wax. You can see it spitting. So once it hits top speed, this thing might shake like a bad boy. It's going so fast you can see through the frames. Alright, so we're going to start pulling our honey, I guess, from the extractor. So this is what we got in there. It's hard to say exactly how many pounds there is, but in each of these barrels we can fit about, what, 70 pounds? 70 to 75 pounds, a 5-gallon pail. So we're gonna start dropping some honey. We finished first pull July 29th, 2025 with 360 pounds of honey. That's raw, so it's unfiltered yet. So once we get the all the wax and the stuff out, we'll have a better idea of exactly how much. And we haven't touched the uncappings that have been dripping into a bucket yet. So we're estimating about, say, 380 pounds of honey on our first pull. So that's huge. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I guess tomorrow you'll probably watch another farm feed video or a harvesting video. Take it easy.